In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook cover photo without notification. So what you want to do is open up your Facebook, go to your profile, to the bottom right, and then on the top left, and then you just want to post whatever. So let's say I want to post this, and then before you actually click on post, make sure that this option is only for me. So only me must be turned on, and what that means that only you will be able to see this specific post. And let's click on post. But let's say you forgot to do that. What you need to do once the post has been uploaded, you want to click on the top right on the three dots, and then here it should say something like hide profile. For some reason it's not showing up. Maybe I need to update Facebook, but yeah, it should be here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.